This YouTube channel is making $100,000 a month copy-pasting faceless YouTube shorts. And he's not the only one. There are thousands of other beginners who are using this exact same system to make money with YouTube shorts without recording anything with a camera and without ever putting their face on the internet. However, there are three massive mistakes that a lot of people make that are keeping them stuck and they never seem to grow. So if you can avoid these three mistakes, you can potentially build a $30,000 a month online business without ever recording anything. You see, according to the article posted by the New York Times, YouTube pays creators over $36 million a day. So if you manage to get just 0.0009% of that, you will be making at least $10,000 a month. And that's not impossible. Like, this channel is making $100,000 a month with faceless shorts, and this channel is making $175,000 a month with YouTube shorts. So what they're actually doing is they're posting interviews or clips from interviews with popular people, or also clips from very popular shows. So for example, this original long-form interview with Drake got only 100,000 views, but shorts got millions of views. For example, this one has gotten 3 million views, 100,000 likes just from a YouTube short taken from that interview with Drake. So shorts actually have a lot more views than actual long-form videos, and that's why people go so bullish with them. And this channel over here is just taking PewDiePie highlights. PewDiePie is an extremely popular YouTuber, and they're just taking highlights from his videos, posting as shorts, and they get $100,000 per month. Now, what you can simply do is you can use this AI tool called clip.ai, and you can generate those YouTube shorts from interviews with pretty much just one press of a button. So you can extract viral clips from your long videos in a flash. Just click on try for free. You can just upload a long interview and it will clip it into YouTube shorts that you can then just blast with one press of a button. Now, if you're thinking, yeah, Dave, but people are gonna get mad that I'm taking their clips and I'm putting them on my own YouTube channel, and that's true. Some people might get mad. In most of the cases, they will not, because you are essentially building the brand for them. You saw that like they get a lot less views with long-form videos, so they can get a lot bigger audience if they have YouTube shorts. I personally pay people to do that for me, so I obviously wouldn't get mad if someone has done that for me for free. So in some cases, you will have to actually contact the creator and ask them if you can clip their videos and put them on as YouTube shorts. In my case, I give you full permission to do it as much as you want. Just clip these videos if you want. But also bear in mind that even if you get accepted into the YouTube Partner Program, you may not make a lot of money from ad revenue. There's other ways that you can monetize your YouTube channel, and that's the first mistake that a lot of beginners make. They literally just focus on ad revenue, which doesn't make that much money. So this YouTube Shorts channel that I run has 100,000 subscribers. We got 246 million views, but I made $0 from ad revenue. I mean, this one wasn't monetized, so I had to use alternative monetization options. But even this channel that you're watching right now, which is monetized, I posted some shorts. You got like 3,000 views, but it made only 12 cents. So you don't really make much money even when you're monetized with YouTube Shorts. So on the flip side, you should be monetizing them with affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, get some brand deals on, or promote your own digital or physical products, and that's how you can actually make money from your channel. And again, you can generate these YouTube Shorts with literally just one press of a button with Clip AI, which I'm gonna link in the description box down below. Now, the second mistake that beginners make is they clip videos with random people that not a lot of people even know about. And that way, you're not really piggybacking on anyone's audience, and it's much harder to grow your YouTube Shorts channel. But if you clip videos from already viral people or people that already have a well-established audience, then you can literally piggyback on that and get those views way easier than if you clip videos of some interview that no one has heard about. Like, no one has heard about the people in that interview, and then you clip that. It's way less likely to get views. But if you find someone that's already getting views and then you clip their videos, and you have higher chances of making money, like this person that is clipping videos from PewDiePie and gets like 28 million views a month. The third mistake that a lot of people make when posting these YouTube Shorts is they don't focus on the psychology and what people click on YouTube. And so this channel over here by Brad Cooper actually does a very good job at titling their videos, and that's why their shorts get millions of views. If you take a look at their titles, it's literally a masterclass to go through these titles and see which frameworks they use to piss people off and to talk directly to people. As you can see, man, this is a red flag, or I don't care if you're weak. This literally pisses this is of a certain group of people, so they have to check out the short, they have to actually click on it to see what the short is about. And most people just put a random titles in their shorts and don't really care about it. Now, another cool trick that you can pull is to just go to Google Trends and see what's trending right now or which people are trending right now and try to find interviews with them. So for example, Kanye West is currently trending, so if you can find his interviews on YouTube and then clip that, then you will have higher chances of getting views with your YouTube shorts. Or this person over here, or this person who I've never heard about, but essentially they're trending right now today, so I can make some clips, some shorts from them with Clip AI, and then I can blast them right away. The faster you do it, the more you will grow, and obviously the faster your views will just go up. And you can also use a tool like vidIQ to research topics and see perhaps maybe something that's evergreen. If you don't want to go with what's trending right now, you can also find some evergreen topics and evergreen keywords. So if I type in, for example, my name over here, we will see some recommended topics. See, the competition is very low, but there's a lot of people searching for my name, and I can just see different variations of what I could make my videos or shorts about and see what can potentially even rank in the search so that I can have evergreen shorts out there. And remember, just don't focus only on ad revenue, but try to promote some CPA offers or affiliate offers in your pinned comments or in the description, or just grow your YouTube channel and then promote something with a community post, because that's how you actually make money with YouTube Shorts.